Welcome back to Auto Upgrade Nation, your one-stop shop for the hottest car upgrades and the sickest rides on the planet. And today, we're diving deep into a true head-turner, the 2025 chocolate Camaro in that wild Rally Yellow finish. Let me tell you, this beast is not just built for the streets, it's designed to dominate M** right off the bat. You can't miss that paint. Rally Yellow is bold, retro, and modern all at once. Under bright lights or in the golden hour sun, it pops like no other. Paired with those black accents and aerodynamic body lines, this thing looks like it's breaking speed limits just standing still. The chocolate Camaro isn't just about color, it's about presence. From the wide front fascia to the sculpted hood vents, everything screams muscle with a futuristic twist. Pop the hood, and you're greeted by raw American power. The 2025 model comes equipped with a 6.2 LLT 4 supercharged V8 engine, pushing out an eye-watering 670 horsepower and 670 pounds-ft of torque. Whether you're ripping it down the drag strip or flexing on the freeway, this Camaro answers with instant throttle and an angry exhaust growl that'll send chills down your spine. And yeah, it sounds just as mean as it looks. You get launch control, a reworked 10-speed automatic transmission, and paddle shifters that feel ultra-responsive. Manual lovers, don't worry, there's a 6-speed option available too. Let's talk performance tech. You've got magnetic ride control 4.0, electronically limited slip differential, track-ready suspension tuning, and Brembo performance brakes with 6-piston calipers up front. The grip is next level thanks to Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires wrapped around those aggressive 20-inch forged aluminum wheels. This Camaro is built to carve corners just as easily as it burns rubber. Inside, the cabin is a perfect mix of race-inspired design and modern comfort. Jet black Recaro seats with yellow stitching match the exterior vibe while holding you snug during high-speed pulls. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in suede, and you get a 12.3-inch customizable digital gauge cluster with real-time performance data. It even includes a heads-up display, so you never have to take your eyes off the road or the track. Infotainment is on point too. You've got Chevy's next-gen 11-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Alexa built-in, and a banging 9-speaker Bose premium audio system. Navigation, voice control, performance timers, launch analytics, it's all there. Easy to access and snappy to respond. And yep, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and even onboard Wi-Fi keep you connected wherever the road takes you. Safety doesn't take a back seat either. Camaro now packs advanced driver assist features like lane keep assist, blind zone alert, forward collision warning, and rear cross traffic alert. Plus, there's a rear performance camera with HD vision that helps you reverse like a pro even when you're in a tight garage or a crowded show lot. And for those who love to customize, Chevy has gone all out. You've got a full upgrade catalog for spoilers, splitters, diffusers, custom stripes, exhaust tips, and performance tune kits right from the factory. Or go wild with third-party mods. This car is a blank canvas for any car enthusiast who wants to make it truly their own. Fuel economy. Not its strongest suit, but who cares when you're pushing this kind of power? It's built for thrill, not for sipping gas. Still, thanks to cylinder deactivation and smart engine management, it cruises surprisingly efficiently on the highway. When you're not flooring it, one thing's for sure, the 2025 chocolate Camaro Rally Yellow is a total statement. It blends old-school muscle charm with next-gen tech and engineering. Whether you're building a show car, hunting down quarter-mile records, or just love being the center of attention at every red light, this Camaro delivers. So if you're thinking of upgrading your ride in 2025, this one deserves a hard look. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle, a movement, and a legacy all rolled into one loud, powerful, insanely cool package. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the breakdown. And subscribe to Auto Upgrade Nation for more deep dives into the dopest builds and upcoming monsters hitting the streets. Drop a comment, what would you mod first on this beast? I'll be replying to the best ideas and maybe even featuring your upgrades in an upcoming video. Asterisk, stay tuned. Stay boosted, and as always, keep upgrading. Asterisk.